sure that you put down in the comments. I'm sorry, you guys, you can hear me now. Make sure you drop down in the comments. We've been waiting on this date, February the 22nd. A lot been going on this morning. People's cell phones are down. AT&T, some Verizon, some AT&T, and different phone carriers are down. Not all of them, but some of them, you guys. So I'm gonna be going over information, but make sure you put down in the comments, you guys, in the chat, what state are you from? Did you get your refund this morning, you guys, or you didn't get your refund this morning? Is in processing? You getting codes or anything? Let me know down in the comments, and I'll be getting back with you. I'm already seeing people putting comments on my other videos, so I'll be sharing that with you guys too. This is a refund. Okay, yeah, Kiera, I'm sorry. I just realized that it was muted. I turned it on for you guys. So drop in the comments where you're from, you guys, and let me know what is going on this morning with your refunds. If you haven't seen your refund yet, you probably get it throughout the day. Okay? So drop it down in the comments and let me know. Be sharing more information regarding you guys, regarding you know that some of you have filed, and I know y'all looking for your refunds, but don't forget about that the House passed the child tax credit. Okay, people been wondering about the child tax credit, additional child tax credit. If you already are approved and get your refund, what happens when the Senate finally approves more money for you guys? Okay, more money for families, for low income family with more than one child. Okay. Okay, let me see. All right, you can hear me now. Okay, I'm glad you can. I'm sorry about that. I was muted. Let me know what state you live in and your due dates, you guys, or you see your money. Corey. Hello, Linda. Please, the email address I use to verify my ID me is different from the one I use in the filing on my tax player. Hope that's fine. The verify ID is different from filing you talking about doing tax preparation. Hopefully you will be okay. If not, make sure you contact the IRS. Okay, you guys. Filed with H&R Block on the 4th. Due date is the 22nd. Still haven't got it. Throughout the day, okay, Mike? Throughout the day, all the way to the evening. Some people are getting their refunds in the evening. Some are dropping all through the day. Okay, so keep checking your bank accounts to see. Okay, and I see a lot of people. I'm gonna be putting up here. Some people having comments already as well. Let me see. Let me look in this on the phone, you guys, because I know people be messaging me as well on here. Don't forget, you guys, if you have a tax offset, to check that number that I gave from IRS.gov. That number is from IRS.gov. So if you go to reduce refunds on the IRS site, you scroll down on that site, you will see the exact same number. So for those of you who feel that you may have a tax offset, make sure you contact that number. I'm finna put it on the screen. I always put it up there. This is strictly IRS, okay? Okay, let me go to the comments from some of you guys. Some people still say they haven't seen any money. Some people are still saying that they will approve for their state refund. One person said they from Indiana. Caesar was approved for his state refund, but he hadn't received his federal yet. Okay, let me see. Okay, somebody said, thank you very much. I just received, it was 16 minutes ago. Thank you very much. I just received my refund this morning. I didn't even have to check my account, LOL, to know I made a purchase and it went through, LOL, on that account. had no fun. So thank you. You are so welcome. I don't want to. It seems like it said Moez Dior Fly. So thank you so much for your comment. Yeah, I ain't. Somebody said, yeah, I ain't got yet. Shaking my head. So hopefully for you, your money will come soon. I know a lot of you been waiting and you wonder what's going on. Well, I was contacting you guys. I am not partnered this tax season with Santa Barbara Tax Products Group, but I was 2 years ago. Somebody had said that they didn't receive their money in Chime and that Chime are rejecting, which I don't know anything about that. I just seen people posting it. But get this, you guys. I guess the Santa Barbara bank actually sent out emails to all their tax professionals, and it was included in mine, and I'm not even partnered with them anymore. And they said that they're going to be dropping refunds today. So if you are dealing with your tax professionals going through Santa Barbara Tax Products Group, TPG, then they're dropping the refunds today. The tax pros, you should get your money today. And then also the taxpayers who went through the tax pros with that as well. If you are in a different bank, some people have been telling me Truist, Regions, Wells Fargo. If you haven't got, usually those banks, they drop theirs in the morning. So check your accounts. Now, I can't say that they're going to drop them all through the day if you're going through a bank, because usually if you get it in the morning, then you won't get it throughout the day. But if you have prepaid cards, Varo, PayPal, Chime, all the different ones, Emerald Card, H&R Block, the different ones, Discover Card that I have, I'm partnered with my bank with that we're using Discover Card. Somebody said Capital One as well. Some of them could be all through the day. So if you don't have your money right now, don't be discouraged, because it could be throughout the day, even to this evening, to the night. Okay, so continue to check back, you guys, to see. Check to see. Okay, let me see. I have more comments and I'll be putting it up there and answering. Okay. Nothing much. Hello, I didn't receive nothing from Long Island. Well, hopefully throughout the day, I don't know if you have a regular bank or do you have prepaid card, who you going, whoever you're banking with. If you have the prepaid card, they up, so much earlier that they get theirs quicker. And it's throughout the day with those. Because there's so many, you guys. Santa Barbara Tax Products Group. Again, I'm not partnered with them, but I got an email because I was partnered with them years ago and they sent out random emails explaining everything. So they let me know that they're dropping them today. So check your account all through the day if you haven't got it right now. If you're dealing and have the prepaid card or Chime as well, the different ones. Okay, I got mine yesterday. Thank you, beautiful. You are so welcome, Lisa. I'm so happy for you. Yay. Let's see. Hello, Linda. Do you know when the next big deposit drop will be, like the next batch? Hopefully throughout this week. Usually IRS, even though most people said the 22nd, it be throughout the week that people still get money in their accounts. So check back. Kiara, I hope I'm saying it right. And check back and see. But the biggest updates, I tell people, if you want to see the due dates, which some people might not even see due dates, I'm gonna tell you the truth. It could just come in your bank account tomorrow for you guys who don't have the 22nd, and all through the week. And then on Saturdays be the biggest WMR updates. So we're seeing every week what they had Thursday, and President's Day was Monday. I'm thinking next Wednesday, but it's throughout the week now. Just cause this is not the only day. Throughout this week, okay, that money be dropping. But when the WMR updates on Saturday for more due dates for you to actually start seeing them, it's probably going to be next Wednesday or next Thursday. That's how it's been falling. It came on Thursday, the 22nd. President's Day was that Monday. So everybody got their due date of the 22nd. So next week, you should see another big update. But that doesn't mean that some of you will start still receiving refunds throughout this week. Because again, it can appear in your bank account without a due date, without your transcript being updated. And also check those transcripts for those who want to on Fridays, okay? Those be the biggest ones you see changes. My transcript, yeah, that's what I was saying. TNT Media, that sometimes you can even see that with your transcript, and then you look in your bank account. It's plenty of people who have been contacting me saying they got it, they can't believe it. They got it showed up in their bank account and they had no update, no due date, and they were shocked and happy. So I'm hoping that a lot of you get that because it happened last year. Hey, Miss Linda, I filed on February 2nd and I haven't received any updates yet. Well, again, still check your bank account. Check those bank accounts. Check if you got the prepaid cards throughout the day. And some of you probably have your notifications on, like me. I keep my notifications on with my bank, so in case it hits, I can see it right on my phone. But the cell phones, you guys, for a lot of people this morning, some people, not all people, with AT&T, Verizon, and the different ones are down. But just check your bank account if you have your data and you have Wi-Fi or anything for internet access, to check to see if it's in your bank account. And I tell people that every year, check the bank account, because some people are just, I want my date, I want the transcript, and then they be like, what? It just appeared in my bank account. It happens, you guys. If you're just joining us live, make sure you put in where you're listening or watching from, due date, what's going on with you regarding your return, is it in process, and anything. Let us know, okay? Let us know. I was telling people from a lot of you who have already been approved and you're waiting. Don't forget those who have already got the child credits and additional child tax credits. But some of y'all, because of the House passed the bill about the additional child tax credit, and some of you will see more money, especially of you who have the dependents with the children. And they're going to be paying you based not just on one child. It's going to be, if you have 3, you're going to be receiving more money. So look out for when the Senate, I know a lot of you don't like politics, but if you watch the news, like I like to keep up with the news, watch if the Senate actually passes this bill or approves this bill, then you will be getting more money. If you have any questions and comments, make sure you drop them now. Also, those who bank with EPS partnership, those are releasing refunds today too. If you had the prepaid Discover card like I issue out to my clients, you should see them up to, it should be done drop 2 days ago. Because some people have the card to drop. Vero was up to 5 days. Our card Discover was up to 4 days. And some people do days early. Okay, you guys? So if you have any questions, you see any different codes, drop them in the comments. Let me know, you guys, what's going on. For those of you who are interested, I had the music on at the beginning of this video. You're interested in the new merch. People have been voting on it. The new merch that I dropped along with the music. When it comes on my intro, I have We Get Money hoodie for those who receive their tax refunds, as well as a celebration. Okay, Tax Pro Boss hoodie and the t-shirts. Also, just keep grinding or just keep moving. A lot of people love that. It's still up to 71%. You can vote on the poll in the community. And also Wealth Builder hoodie. Those who are believing in investing to make money work for them. So if you have any questions, have any comments, let me know down in this video. Again, the next big update, the WMR updates, is on Saturday. Big updates. Now it's constantly updating every day, you guys, and you could receive it 23rd, 24th throughout the week. But the biggest update for some of you who are looking for it is probably going to be next Wednesday or next Thursday. That's how they've been doing it. Lisa said, I'm still waiting on my 2022 taxes. Did you contact the IRS, Lisa? Did you contact the IRS regarding your refund? Make sure you continue to contact them. And you possibly, if you hadn't got, this is a lot of people. When I did the live videos last year in 2023, I did it all the way from January now to December. It's a lot of people still have not received their 2022 tax refund. And that's why I told you guys, the one who have been watching, if you didn't receive your 2022 refund, you probably gonna end up getting the one this tax season and then the one from last year. So just look out for that, Lisa. Hopefully you'll be getting the other one too. And then you will sure enough have a reason to celebrate because you've been waiting so long. And don't forget, now, if you've been waiting on your taxes, when did you file? If you've been waiting and you filed and you hadn't got it yet, the interest is building on that tax refund. So when you do get that tax refund, you will get interest with your tax refund because you've been waiting so long. Don't forget that, okay? Let me know when you do get it, okay? It's going to be bigger than what you expected because of that interest. Any other questions? Where are you watching from? Drop them down in the comments. If you have any codes or anything going on. Anything going on. If you haven't filed your taxes, remember you can file them with me live. You'll be able to see me like you're seeing me now. Make sure you have all your tax documents. I know a lot of you have already filed, so if you already filed it, disregard because this is a tax refund update. But to my new watchers, I always tell them if they're interested and maybe they're just watching for the first time and they haven't already filed, and you can follow me at By Grace Tax Services LLC. You can still follow me. I am an authorized IRS e-file provider. You can email me about questions at info@bygracetax.com. You can actually Google me, Linda Likely, and learn more information about me, or you can actually Google Dr. Linda Likely and find out more information. For those of you with my customer service number is 1-833-608-0018. The fax number is the same, you guys, as the customer service number. Make sure if you contact me through the customer service, Lord, I can't talk this morning. The customer service number, you guys, that is about taxes and it's not about anything else regarding this channel. Because if you have any questions about what's going on, then you can actually say it on this channel with me. Operations is Monday through Friday. For those of you who have the reduced, some of you may get it and your refund is reduced. I've been having questions about reduced refund. Make sure if you have a tax offset, again, I put the number, I'm put it back up here. It's on irs.gov. It's the same number. It's the IRS number that I put on the screen. And you go and you find out you have a tax offset and some of your refund is reduced, 203, or is all of it is taken because of a past due state or federal debt, that you reach out to your taxpayer advocate. You guys, remember, you have to prove hardship. You may need that money because, you know, a lot of us are going through things because of inflation and everything going on. So if you are in a hardship right now, they take your refund, whatever the situation is, reach out to your taxpayer advocate and make sure that you prove. So a lot of people say, yeah, I'm in hardship, but you got to prove your hardship. You have to have documentation, okay? If you haven't already joined my group on Facebook, don't forget to join my private group, where is my tax refund group, so we can interact also in the community outside of YouTube. You can interact with other members, and also I put live, I'm streaming live right now on my group right now, and I put other information in the group besides taxes, you guys. I'm over here after tax season. I'm not one of them tax preparers. Woo, you see me pop up doing tax season and disappear. You're gonna see me all the way through tax season because a lot of people don't get their refund. A lot of them didn't get it all the way to December. Okay, I have a question. Okay. Hello, Miss Linda. Will I receive my refund deposit if I listed the correct but marked the wrong account type? Are you talking about checking or saving? They should still go by your routing, your accounting and routing numbers. That's what you're saying? You put checking and then or not savings, they should go by your account and routing number. Let me know, is that what you're saying? But if you put in the wrong account and routing number, you guys, in there, what happens is that you're gonna have to contact the IRS. For those of you who did do that, you're gonna have to contact the IRS, and then they'll send you a paper check. Okay, you're welcome. Any more questions? I'm trying to answer them. A lot of people had the whole codes. I'll try to review because I've been in this for a while, you guys. They have the whole codes. They have the review letters. If you get a review letter, I mean, you have, if they send you a letter saying that you don't have to respond because some people just have simple math errors, then you don't have to respond to the letter. But if you get a review letter and say, you know, you have to send in this, to this, then make sure you send it in. And I tell people every video, have copies when you send it in. If you fax it, if you mail it, keep yourself copies and keep tracking numbers of everything that you send in to the IRS to prove that you did send it in. Because if you don't answer the IRS, even if you disagree, I have a review letter on the channel in my playlist, and I actually have the ones that you can download. You guys, if you watch that video under the description, you can download the review letters that'll help you guys with review letters if you're new to it. Okay, you entered the correct numbers, just wrong type. Okay, like savings, and they should go by your account number and your routing. So hopefully everything will go okay with you. I'm just talking about the people who put in the wrong routing and account number. Then you're gonna have to contact the IRS and they'll mail you a check, which may take some time. Just wait for it to update. Grand Society clothing, okay? Sometimes people get these codes and they be just terrified. And then throughout the tax season, it updates automatically and they like, wow, it changed. So see what the system does, okay? Don't panic. I tell people, don't panic, okay? You never know, okay? Don't worry so much. No notice codes yet, okay? Just like I said, just wait patiently. Sometimes it'll update. Don't be let's not be terrified. Let's not be terrified, okay? Let's not panic. Hopefully you will get your money. I'm praying that all of you get your money because I know that y'all need it. And shoot, I need mine, so I know. Don't panic. Just wait to see if it updates, okay? Wait to see if it change. Check back Friday, okay? Check back Friday. That's when transcripts update. And check back Saturday for those of you who do check the WMR, because that's the biggest updates and everybody be celebrating. Woo, I gotta do that. For the ones who didn't or filed a little later than everybody else. I try to be. You are a blessing. Keep doing what you're doing. I try to be. I try to help you guys and answer your questions on here. You guys, I done been in it a while and I done seen a lot. So now sometimes the IRS will shock you and you be like, what are they doing this tax season? What are they doing? But pretty much it be the same old, same old. Hey, Star. Did you get anybody the other day? You was on the live video and I had gave the number for you to contact I think you had said something about student loans. Were you able to get anybody? I think you were talking about the departments, okay? You can go to irs.gov and also people, I forgot to share you guys this. I'm telling you guys with scheduled appointments. I have some of the numbers for the IRS to contact them at the bottom of this live portal. So those of you who already have filed, you can actually go to this live portal, scroll down to the numbers all the way to the bottom of my live portal, and you should be able to see the IRS numbers and click on that, you guys. and we click on there, you should see a list and how to get in contact with an IRS agent. A lot of people struggled last year with trying to get in contact with an IRS agent, and even after, of course, they be busy after April the 15th. I'm thinking about you guys giving away a $50 gift card. How many of y'all would like that? But I want everybody to take a part of it. So it's got to be all the way to April the 15th. For those of you who put, I'm going to enter your name or the name of your YouTube channel. If you put in the chat, hashtag refund, okay? And I'm going to announce the winner on the last day of tax season, and it starts today. I want everybody to take a part of this. And you can actually do it once or twice when you're watching my videos, or whenever I come live, put in hashtag refund, I got my refund, or hashtag I don't, you know what, I got my money, hashtag, and I know what you're talking about. So just hashtag refund, hashtag I got my money, hashtag I don't have my money, hashtag my money is processing. When you do that in my comments, you will be automatically in a drawing, and I'm gonna give away a $50 gift card April the 15th to you guys. That's all you have to do. Make sure you guys that you share out this video to others who may need this help as well, okay? Hey, LaShonda Pearson. Hello, I'm trying to see. I checked my transcript, and my 846 code said 5,000 is 417 in my account. But when I called my card, it was was it for a refund? Because if it for a refund, it probably was reduced. I'm not gonna, I can't look at it, but if it said, okay, it says your refund was that amount, but when you got it in your bank account, it was $2,900, which means it is your refund will reduce. And that's why I'm telling everybody about a tax offset. So check to see. Let me give you this number and see that you had a tax offset, and make sure, check your account also, and make sure that you want to do that. Call this number to make sure that you didn't have a tax offset for an old debt. Okay? Let me look back at the comments some more. Yeah, yay! Star. Okay, let me see. It showed on my TurboTax I was supposed to receive a refund today. But on the IRS website, it shows it has been delayed with Topic 152 child tax credit. What I'm gonna tell you to do is continue to check your. You said the WMR. That's what it's saying on the IRS website. Then sometimes the IRS website, you got to wait till it updates, and you just have to wait to see if the money appears in your account. And sometimes it does be a hold on the money. A lot of people have been saying that they have a hold on their money and it's delayed. So you could, if they have a hold, you could be in the holding and you could be in review, and sometimes you have to verify identity real. Okay, let me see. Grand Society Clothing, you have a 570 code. Please do not watch YouTube videos. They will have you feeling like it's the end of the world. Hopefully not my YouTube videos. Hopefully I'm encouraging you guys, and I hope you don't feel that way with me, that it's the end of the world. No, it's not the end of the world just because you have that code. Okay? Life goes on, okay? Life goes on. I'm waiting on my money. Okay. Hopefully you will receive it. Okay, star hashtag refund. You will be entered in the $50 gift card. Okay, I want to do something special for you guys. And again, it starts today. If you have any more questions or comment, feel free to drop them down in this video, just like everybody else. And you can also just put the state you rep. If you don't want to have any questions, put your state that you're repping. Let me know if you're still in processing. Anything that you can put, just so it's not rude and ugly, like some people do. And of course, you guys, if you haven't already, you watch it for the first time, you have never watched me, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Why should you subscribe? Because I go live every week giving you the new tax refund updates. I also give you information on finance and business and building wealth. Okay. And plus, I answer your questions. I try to answer everybody's questions that enter in the chat. And even after this video, if you watch the replay, I answer your question. Now, if you're being rude or say something, you see me, I will ignore it. But pretty much, if you have a tax credit question, I answer them. Okay, let me know, you guys. Anything else? I'm trying to make sure that I cover everything for you guys. So I'm going to go on here waiting on some of the comments. And I'm going to actually go to the newsroom of the IRS site. Did any of you have to amend a tax return? I'm going to back up. Take my big face out the screen and kind of back up, you guys. Did any of you... Okay, more questions. I'm still in process and filed to February 8th. Okay, hopefully it will update for you soon. 21 days, up to 21 days. So hopefully it will update for you soon, okay? Yes, Friday, the Friday on the transcripts and Saturdays on the WMR. So some of you will actually get the dates on your transcript. Hi, Joe. WMR still says since the 29th, and transcript says not applicable. Check the IRS notification says nothing, and they are processing my taxes. I called. Lady said no hold, and they're waiting to send a. They're waiting to send a. Finish it, Joe. Okay, thank you for your comment and letting us know everything is going on. Okay, I'm on it now. Hopefully it updates today or tomorrow. Pray for me. I will be praying for you and everybody else. I make sure that I put everybody in my prayers, especially the ones who be saying they need a miracle. Some of them be saying they need a miracle. 3 parts to that comment. LOL, couldn't fit it all. I get it, okay? I get it. All right, what I was doing, let me screen share, you guys, because I like to go over everything to help people during this tax season, the ones who have problems. Now, some of you are just nervous and you don't think your money going to show up. But then it's those who actually get the holding codes, to review, the audits, the verify identity, and then you have to go through them, all those hoops, and you be like, what in the world is going on? So I'm actually going to the IRS site to see any information. Okay, that's from reduce refunds. I'm gonna go here because a lot of people I'm seeing having that topic number 2023, and I'm gonna look and see, can y'all see this on the screen? Okay, a lot of people get this, and people have been commenting saying they got reduced refunds. Guys, so when you get the reduced refund, it's because of a tax offset, past due child support, federal agency, non-tax debt, state income tax obligations, or certain unemployment compensation that's owed to a state. Generally, these are debts for compensation paid due to fraud or contributions owing to a state fund that weren't paid. So make sure again you contact that number to see if you have a taxpayer offset. And also, I always put that number on the screen for those of you who don't think that's the number. When I drop it down, look on your screen and you see 1-800-304-3107. You guys, some people be thinking she putting that number and that's not the number, and I'm trying to scam you, and that actually is the IRS number. If you go to the IRS site, you're going to see this information I'm sharing. You guys, okay? All right. Let me see. Share more information. Amended return information. It has that. The IRS has a lot of information, you guys, this year than any other tax season. They really updated their website. So for those of you who want to, get more information, it would definitely help you. All you have to do is go on there. And it tells you a lot of things. For those of you who have filed things wrong, you didn't wait on your documents and forms, you have to amend a tax return, those who need it. This said the reasons, because a lot of people do it because of simple math errors when the IRS will correct it on their part. But you file an amended return if there's a change in your filing status, income, deductions, credits, dependents, tax liability. When you don't need to, people need to hear this. You don't need to amend your return if we let you know that we corrected errors on your return. Because some people file and they get a letter, and time they get that letter, they're amended. And the IRS is letting them know, look, we're going to correct it on our end. Now, if they need more information or need you to amend that tax return, they're going to let you know. Also, accept your return without certain forms. If you certain forms are scheduled or they ask you to send information to them. So a lot of people don't understand that. You also may have more time if you have a federal declared disaster, service in a combat zone, a bad debt or worthless security, a foreign tax credit or deduction, a loss or credit carryback. Okay. So those are some of the reasons for you to amend a tax return. If you have any questions and comments, feel free to drop them down on the video. I'm covering a lot of material, and I will be all through tax season. It's still coming. Yep. Still got that code. Okay. Continue to check back. Anybody else? Any more hashtag refund or hashtag I'm still processing, so that you will be entered into a drawing to get $50. Okay. And it lasts. I'm getting everybody into this. Keep watching the videos all the way to April 15th, which is the last day of tax season. All right. All right, make sure you share out this video. If you have any more questions, I'm still waiting on some of your questions. Did any of you take advantage of the clean energy and vehicle credits? A lot of people file and they don't know the tax codes, and maybe, I know a lot of you feel like, I want all my money, I don't want to go with a tax pro, and some of you have simple returns. Did anybody take advantage of the clean vehicle and energy credits? Because there's a lot of credits that was new this year, bigger this year. If you had the Teslas, if you had fix your home improvements this year, did you have those? Did you get any of those credits or take advantage of any of those credits? The clean vehicle credits, the home energy credits. It's had a lot of different credits, home improvement credits, and they had to be new. You guys, a lot of people during tax season, they want the earned income tax credit, they want the child tax credits, and they're happy. But there's so many more credits, you guys, to some of you who have the big income, a lot of money, make a lot of money, that you can actually decrease your tax liability. And if you have the refundable credits, you can end up getting a bigger refund. And people don't know that. You have to know the tax codes, the new tax code, and I'm updated every year about the new tax laws. Any other questions? Did any of you, a lot of people, they have the information about getting the identity protection pin. If you didn't get one, you guys, make sure you read about that. I'm waiting to see that anybody have any more questions, any more concerns. Okay, I share a lot of information on these live videos to help you, but I'm sure it's more. It's more. It's going to be more codes pop up because it happens every year. Some people. Hashtag refund, you guys, if you want to be entered into the drawing. New comment. Okay. Mine keeps saying process and continue. Miss Candy Red. Welcome back, Miss Candy Red. Hopefully it will update. If it don't update, again, check those bank accounts. I know y'all tired of me saying it. And y'all may be tired of checking it. But sometimes you go and you just try to enjoy your day, sometimes the money's out, boom, right up in your account. You guys, if you try not to worry so much about it. Okay, we're entering Zach 56. Okay, you're entered into the drawing and be given away on April 15th. Every time, for those of you who continue to watch my videos, live videos, every week I give you a new tax refund update. So all the way to the 15th, if you want to put a hashtag in there. I can't get in my transcript because I can't update my new phone number. Okay, well, hopefully everything, like I said, it can be, Miss Candy Red, that your money just shows up in your bank account. Wouldn't that be nice? Wouldn't that be nice, you guys? For that money, just, it's a lot of people who've been experiencing that. You go look at your bank account and you think, she said she didn't have any money, the young lady, and then she checked it and she synced that money in there. She was so happy, and I know I would have been too, especially if it was big. Because some of y'all getting the big refunds are taking it, you know, with the different credits. Okay, any more questions and comments? I'm seeing the views are going up. More people coming in. Don't forget to put in hash refund if you want to be entered into the drawing. A giveaway of $50 by April 15th. Just put in hashtag refund. Also, if you're coming in, make sure that you put down, you can put in the state you're repping, and your due date. Don't forget to check out, I put on the music on low, you guys, the new merch that I have in my store as well. And also on the website, more information and more videos be on my website, you guys, that I share. A lot of free information. For those of you who are looking to get help during this tax season, a lot of people take advantage of trying to get their credit score up. I have a video on my channel as well, you guys, to help with those who try to build credit. Maybe you're trying to get a car or a home. I share information on a playlist about credit scores, how to increase. Okay, I called the IRS yesterday and they said they were trying to get some information and they finally got it yesterday. So wondering why my refund hasn't moved yet to approve, because it takes time. And sometimes it don't move to approve, Zach. Sometimes it comes, people just don't believe that it'll show up in your bank account without any proof. It won't even be approved. It won't even be approved on the WMR. Sometimes you won't see approved. All you'll see is received, and then the money be in your bank account. It'd be like that after you done got your money for months. Some of you ever go back on there and it's still on the same thing. You still don't even show it. All right, you're entered. Okay. I'm gonna be writing each one of them down after the video and even in the comments under this video. So I'll be giving it away. You guys, thank you so much. All right, Texas is in the building. You're welcome. Texas is in here. All right, who else is in here? Represent your state. I've been having people from different states. I told you on the last video, people have been really representing Alaska, Indiana, Wisconsin, Nevada, all the different ones. Georgia been in the building. Oh, it's been a lot of people. New York, New Jersey. I've been seeing them on them other videos. Okay, South Carolina in the building. Columbia. Okay, that's what's up. Detroit, Michigan. What's up? I have family in Detroit. Tampa, Florida in the building. Okay then, Miss Candy Red. I see y'all. Y'all coming in now. Y'all repping. And if you're watching the replay of this video, and if you watch it, I've been on here. Wow, you guys, this is a long video. But if you make it to the end of this video and you see this and you represent your city over here, put them down in the comments. You can still put it down in the comments, you guys. I've been on here. Wow. Anybody else want to rep their city or put hashtag refund to be entered in the $50 drawing? It's all you have to do is put in the hashtag refund. Okay, you guys, to be entered in that drawing, and I'll make sure to write down everybody's name of their YouTube channel that puts it down in the comments, so they'll be entered into that drawing all the way up to April the 15th. Then I'm going to announce it live, you guys. I'm going to announce it live. Okay? Thank all of you so much. You guys, I see my channel is increasing every day. The other day I had 125,000 views. Now it's up to 130, over 30,000 views. So I thank you all so much who comment, who share out this video, who subscribe to my channel. I see you. I see you guys. I thank you so much. And those who comment and have questions, I always try to get back to you as soon as I can, okay? If nothing else, you guys, I will be giving a new update. Don't forget, before I go off, the biggest updates again is Friday transcripts. Saturday, you guys, is for the WMR. So Saturday morning and also for Friday, go check your transcripts, go check the WMR. Now, some of you could be watching now, but by this week, the rest of it, today, Thursday, keep going. It could be in your accounts this weekend, like it was for people last Friday. Okay. And some of you may not even have updates and due dates. And then you just get your money, okay? So I hope all of you get your money soon. And thank you all for watching this video. Yes, they release it. Yes, every day. It depends on your bank too. Whoever you're banking with. I told people, a lot of people who have like the banks that was contacting me about just the regular banks like Truist, Regions, Wells Fargo. Some of you are wondering where my money, and your banks actually hold. Some of those banks, regular banks, hold 2 days before they actually release your money. But those with the prepaid card, that's why a lot of people like to go with the prepaid card. Every year you can do what you want. I'm not suggesting you go with that, you guys, but a lot of people get their money early with the prepaid card. Just check back Grand Society Clothing, okay? Just check back. Okay, and for those of you who have a due date of the day and have no hold codes or nothing going on with your refund, and you have the prepaid card, check back at your bank accounts throughout the day, all the way to the night. Because, honey, they'll drop all the way through the night with no prepaid cards, because the reason is they have so many. My partner bank has a lot of people. They emailed me and said they have so many they have to issue out to. So all through the day, you guys check to see. Okay, any more questions or comments or hashtag refunds? If not, I will be giving you a new update. Probably, how about I come back on here on Saturday? That'll be okay with you guys. Saturday, I'll come back on here shortly in the morning, probably about 10:30 a.m. You guys on that date. And then the next week, I always go on the due dates that people have that Tuesday or that Wednesday when they get that new update. I go live on there, okay? All right.